Bonafide Hustler here, and today I'm going to do a very, very quick hot shot and get some things in line. I'm definitely going to take you guys with me. Let's go. What's going on, guys? Chris, Bonafide Hustler, coming to you live from the inside of my spaceship. We are not cruising at all through the galaxy. We're about to go hit a workout. Sitting here early at 6:20 at LA Fitness. Just want to go blast a little push workout. I'm gonna take you guys in with me, and then we're gonna go do this hot shot. So let's go. Oh, it's such a pretty morning. About 76 degrees. It's kind of cold actually. I don't know why, but it kind of is. Lock the spaceship up and hit this workout. Like 5.5 hours of sleep. Not very good, but make it happen. Good. Thanks. What's up, Drew?
What's up, buddy?
Let's go. Putting in that work. Putting in that work, boys. It's beautiful out here today. See you later, Jim. See you tomorrow morning. Parents are coming in town today, so I gotta get a hot shot done like really, really early instead of studying at the coffee shop. That's what I'm gonna do right now. Plus I have to pick up something that I bought at Savior's yesterday. I didn't have the bike rack on me, so that sucked. Yesterday was an amazing day thrifting. It was raining in Austin, Texas, so my wife and I decided to go to some thrift stores. Freaking killed it. That stuff will be on another video, the video tomorrow, but that stuff was crazy. You're not gonna believe it. Let's get this hot shot done. I think if everything goes right, a Goodwill, and a Savers. That's the best I can do right now. I think that's what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna take you guys with me. Let's go. It's a windows down type of day here in Austin, Texas. About to be at the Goodwill, but it is it's 72 degrees and it feels great. I've said it in many previous videos. It's the small things in life that really, really matter, such as a nice day. You might be thinking, that looks like crap. To me, this is fun because it's usually 95 degrees and sunny. And now it's 72 and cloudy. I like this, I really do. It's basically refreshing. Trust me, if you live in Austin, it gets hot, really hot. 8:19 in the morning, all these people going to worky work. I'm about to go to worky work at the thrift store. Oh, son. Leads me to a question. Do you guys know how to get to your ASP on the eBay seller hub? Let me know. If not, you should definitely figure it out. Basically, you have to get to the sales reports plus part. It's in the seller hub. You scroll once and you look to your left and there's a thing called Sales Reports Plus. You click that button and you can see what your ASP is, and your average selling price is really, really important. Because if you're watching this channel, it's likely that you're trying to improve your ASP. But without any sort of measuring device going on, how are you supposed to know if you're doing what you say you want to be doing versus what's really happening? Find your ASP. Assignment number 1 is put your ASP down below. Really important, all right? So find your ASP. It's on Seller Hub. I think that's what eBay calls their main thing. If you do one scroll and then you look to your left, you will see a thing called Sales Reports Plus. Click that and then your ASP should be in the middle of the screen about halfway down. So check it out. Let me know what your ASP is. Put it in the comments below right now. There's the Goodwill. Best find from this Goodwill in the past month and a half. That freaking surfboard. Oh man, did you guys watch that video where I popped on that surfboard? It's so amazing. I'll be surfing that thing late July in California. So anyways, let's get into this Goodwill. Let's do it. I think Goodwill watches my videos. I think they watch my videos here. One of the very first things I start to look for when I come into the shoe section is taller type shoes, boots, chukka style ankle boots, those kind of things. Those are crazy looking. Whoa, those are wild. Guys, oh no. All right, I might have to get these. I don't know yet, we'll see. Man, this bag section is looking super thin. I don't know what they did here. Let's see what they got. Outdoor, no, not good. Not good, not good. So I decided not to get those Converse, mainly because they're, I don't know, a little too much. They're too much and they're too much. Like, it's a little too flashy and a little on the expensive side. They were $20, and you can get them brand new for like $40. So I really don't want them that bad. Now, if they were Vans or checkered or something like that, or slip-ons, like, yeah, I'd probably got them, but no. And yeah, their carts were really clean. I'm starting to think some of these thrift stores might be watching my videos. I don't know. Look at the hair on that one card, gross. But I'm gonna take this one. Holy crap. The strange thing was, I was planning to come to here yesterday. I was planning to come to this Goodwill yesterday and crush it, but I just ran out of time. So I haven't been here, which is cool. Some Hokas here, man. $12.99, it's not a bad price for some Bondi 5s. Let's see what the other one looks like. It's not too bad. Actually a pretty good shoe. Sweet order shirt, bro. I don't do clothing. I just don't do it. So I did get the Hokas. There were 13 out the door. Gonna aim for around 70 to 90. And then I also got this C420M. This is a Logitech black wire. It's a really nice headset. It's pretty cool. Anyway, so yeah, it's a C420M. Might use it for myself. I don't know. We'll see if it's any better than what I got. This yields about a $26 after fees check from FBA, 555 rank, and it was only $3. Okay, I'm on my way to a Savers to go pick up something, and that's basically it. I might run through the store like really quickly, but I'm so pressed for time right now. So I'm gonna go get this bike from Savers, and then off we go. All right, I'm at the Savers, gonna pick up this thing. Oh, sweet, there's a diaper that's all mushed on the ground. All right, let's go get this bike. I'm gonna do a micro pass in the Savers. I'm getting the hell out of here super fast. I can't imagine that there would be anything really different from me being here yesterday, but maybe there is. Interesting. Oh, made in Japan, not good. Yeah, it all looks the same. There's like not a single difference. It's crazy. Yay! I bought this thing for like 20 bucks yesterday. It should sell for around 120, 140, something like that. I don't know. We'll see. All right, now I have the bike rack. All right, making a pit stop at the antique booth. I'm dropping some stuff off. Not very many things, but just some stuff. All right, so that stuff's going out to the post office soon, and this stuff has to go to the booth. Look at these neat shirts, huh? All right, booth looking strong. Gonna drop this stuff off. I'm gonna head out of here. Man, look at those Wrangler shirts. Tell me those aren't like the neatest looking shirts ever. Not even pearl snaps either, which is crazy. Booth looking pretty good. I'm, happy with it. It's not a big deal. Hello. Yes. Dude, I had a great workout this morning. What? I know you don't care about that. All right, what are you trying to sell me? Wow. 3 times as much gains now? Holy moly. Wow, with half the effort? Is that even possible? Okay. Send me a sample, I'll take it. I have to pay shipping for that sample? Just give me the gains! So yeah, my parents are coming in town, so I gotta get all kinds of stuff prepped at the house. For real though, my parents are coming into town, so that's why I'm like hustling really hard today. All right, I'm at the Hustler Casa, getting this bike all worked on. Only taking about 5 minutes. E-Money's picking up poop. And I'm gonna give him my stuff that sold this past weekend. 4 out of 5 things are shoes. You guys guess what the next guide's gonna be? And then we also have a pair of roller skates in there as well. So one of the pairs of shoes was like 10 bucks, sold for like 90 something. Some of the other ones are like $10, sold for 66, $10 sold for 60, and something like that. And then I think these skates were $10, sold for like 65, something like that. All right, so actually no, the skates were actually $6, sold for 65. Cool, so E-Money's gonna take him.
Now it's around 10 a.m. and I'm gonna go to the gym. We try to work out at least like 5 days a week. Allison's a big runner. She runs like 4 miles. And right now I'm actually doing a program from Chris, the Bonafide hustler, or I think his fitness YouTube channel is called Bod Damn, but he sent me a program that's really good. I just started doing it. This is only my 2nd workout. Today is back and buys. So I'm heading to the gym now, gonna go knock out that workout.
Wow, that Bod Damn guy. I need to get a workout from that dude. He looks so mean though. I'm gonna give a shout out to Ryan Roots. I did send him a workout program, and he's gonna be doing it for the next 3 weeks, and then if he can survive that, then I'm gonna get him another 3 weeks, and if he can survive that, another 3 weeks, and each 3 weeks are gonna get harder and harder. But anyways, it was just something that I customized really quick for him, and I really wish him luck, because fitness is, to me, the greatest gift you can give someone else. And so, yeah, good luck, Ryan, if you watch this video. Yeah, now what I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna sell a bag to someone on Craigslist, so that's pretty cool. Bags to bucks, you gotta get that bag guide down below, right? It's in the description. Go get yourself the bag guide. I'll flash it right here. I'm not even kidding. This is a $4 bag that might sell for 60 or 70. I have no idea, but it's worth it. So that person's on their way. I think they're on their way. Let's make sure. This phone is acting so stupid. Here we go, here we go, here we go. Yep, they're on their way. Ooh, can I do 50? What? Hold on. Still a good flip though. Let me see what it is. If it's 60, I'll do 50. If it's 70, I'll do 60. Something like that. I gotta figure this thing out. I don't even know how much my own stuff is. Isn't that crazy? That's how much stuff I actually I cross-list a lot of stuff, honestly. Here we go. Okay, let's see how much this thing is. It's 60, cool. So then I'll sell it for 50. That's cool, I'll entertain 50. I think that's good enough, because I'm like nothing into that pack. Some fast money. And typing in sure as the response. Boom! So there we go. That should be about 45 bucks in profit today, just like that. And then there's still the rest of the day to go, and I'm gonna be doing a lot of eBay listings later on. I'm gonna be taking a lot of pictures. Parents are coming in town, I gotta get a lot of this stuff done. Oh yeah, and I still gotta film that video of the stuff that I found yesterday, which I'm gonna do probably right now. So I'll see you guys in the garage. All right, this is the pack that's selling right here. This is a Cypher pack by Osprey, so I better delete my eBay listing for this thing right now. Clean though. I believe I was 5 bucks into this, maybe 4 bucks. But yeah, selling for 50. Look at that, bags to bucks. Guys, whenever you're ready to learn, that guide is ready for you. So whenever you're ready. Just saying. Are you ready now? 5 minutes from now? I'll tell you what. I'll make this money and you tell me if you're ready. The deal's about to go down. Let's go. Right, here we go. Boom, boom, boom. Check that out. Okay, so time spent, 10 seconds. That was it, 10 seconds. He put a computer in it, it fit, took it, 50 bucks in my hands, and he gave my truck a compliment. I'm all about that, money. It's good stuff. You guys ready for the bag guide? Have you guys made a decision if you're gonna buy the bag guide or not? Let me help you with that decision there, guys. Maybe I can help you with that decision. Maybe we should put this money on the stove and burn it, and then I can just do another bag flip and prove that it works. Boomies, boomies, boomies. We're starting a new thing. Here's the surfboard money sitting in there. That's right, he's guarding it. but I'm starting something new. This now is the camera fund for the new camera, which is gonna be a decent amount of money. So I'm putting all of this in there. Surfboard, camera, bodyguard. All right, operation get all this stuff done before my parents get here is well underway. So there's all kinds of stuff going in bags and boxes and random stuff. Here, a pair of Lucchese boots just sitting in here, getting all this stuff listed. Leather cleaner right here that I use for a car, but I use it for bags as well. And you're gonna see the bag that I use it on tomorrow. Yes, there's a video tomorrow. I just filmed it. You didn't see it, but I filmed it already. Got to get it all done. Let's go to the shoot wall real quick. Ooh, we got a hole. I'm gonna fill it, don't worry. But yeah, still looking pretty good. Starting to get some lean right there. I have to adjust that box over a little bit. Same with that one. But outside of that, pre-boxing baby, does it work? Gee, I wouldn't do this if it didn't work, right? So how many of you guys out there are pre-boxing? Let me know. P-R-E-B-O-X-I-N-G. That's pre-boxing. You put all your stuff in boxes before it even sells on eBay. That way it's out of your life. You don't see it anymore, unless you have to open it for a random question or something like that. But those are few and far between. Anyways, I'm gonna get the rest of this stuff done. I really enjoyed hanging out with you guys. I gotta end the video right here. Go out there and make it happen. I aim to inspire you guys by making these videos, and it's really cool to have an audience that even watches them. So thanks a lot for being here. Make sure you hit the like button. Do all the assignments I told you to do on this video. You better be subscribed. That's a no-brainer. But if you have no brain, then I'm telling you now, subscribe. Now, I'll see you on the next Bonafide Hustler video. Take it easy. Goodbye!